Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change the navigation voice on your Google Maps. Really easy and simple to do, just takes about a minute. So all I have to do is just head over to your Google Maps application and open that up. Once you're on the Google Maps application, you could just go and click on, in the top right, you click on your little profile icon, and then you just want to click on Settings. Once you're in the settings here, you just want to scroll down, and under Using Maps, you see Voice Search, Default, and then whatever your default language is. So you can just go ahead and click on that, and then all you see here is there's tons of different languages that you could use for your Google Voice Search. So you just want to click on one of these, and then that will set it as your new basic language. I'm going to keep mine as English, but anyways, that's how you do it on this application. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.